In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view recent activity in Airtable, Account Activity 2026. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find your account's recent activity and how to read what it shows you. This is helpful for confirming where your account is signed in and spotting anything that doesn't look right, especially if you use Airtable across multiple devices. First, open your browser and go to airtable.com. Make sure you're on the official website and that the address bar shows a secure connection. Next, sign into your Airtable account. You can use your email and password, single sign-on, or any authentication method your organization uses. If you have two-factor authentication, complete that step as prompted. That's all you need to do to get in. After you log in, you'll land on your Airtable dashboard. This is the home area where you see your workspaces and bases. From here, we're going to jump into your account settings to access the activity details. Look to the top right corner of the dashboard for your profile icon. It might show your initials or a small avatar. Click that icon to open a drop-down menu with your personal settings and account options. In that drop-down, click Account. This takes you to your account page where you can view and manage information related to your profile and security. On the account page, find and select the Recent Activity section. The label may appear as a tab or a menu item, but it will clearly say Recent Activity. Open that, and you'll see a list of sessions that are currently active or have been active recently. Here's what you're looking at. Each line typically includes the client, the IP, and the last activity in hours. Client usually tells you the app and device, like a specific browser on a computer or the Airtable mobile app. IP is the network address used by that session. If you're on a company network or a VPN, the IP might reflect that, so slight variations are normal. Last activity shows how many hours it has been since that session last did anything, such as opening a base or editing a record. You might also see sessions that are still logged in but haven't been active recently, which is common for apps left signed in on phones or secondary browsers. Use this view to stay aware of where your account is in use. Keep an eye out for unknown devices, unusual times, or locations that don't match your setup. If anything seems off, follow Airtable's security guidance or your organization's policies. And that's it. You've navigated from your dashboard to account, into recent activity, and you now understand what each detail means.